Hi, third graders. Welcome to my favorite page of the week. This is the entree, and we're going to focus on making a prediction. So it's so important that you listen carefully to these directions because they're a little different than last week's. First of all, we're going to start by reading chapter 3, only chapter 3 of the Case of the Gasping Garbage. So just like before, you can click on this read button to read it online. You can go grab an actual book in the classroom and read chapter 3, or you can listen to me read it. Or you can listen to me read it while you follow along, even better. Then, this is so important. After chapter 3, you're going to stop and you're going to click on this worksheet so you can make some predictions. If you keep reading, it will kind of ruin your chance to make predictions because you'll know what's going to happen. So I don't care if your predictions end up being right. I just want you to use what you know about the story to make a good guess. Okay? So if I go on to Wiser, I'm going to have a couple questions to answer. Some are multiple choice and some are where I type. If you want to hear me read chapter 3 first, there's also the link right here. You're going to answer this question here. You can click play if you want to hear your options read aloud. Then you're going to answer this question here by typing in your answer. The last thing you're going to do is make a prediction. It says, do you think Drake and Nell's plan will help save the frogs? Why or why not? So you're guessing if whatever plan they come up with is going to solve the problem or not, and use what you know about the story to make a guess. Again, it's not important if it's right or wrong. It's important that you use clues from the story to give it your best shot. Then, the fun part is then you do get to read on to chapter 4 to see if you were correct or not. It's important that you don't share with anyone what you find out so that everyone has a chance to make a prediction. Have fun, and of course, if you have any questions, let me know.